Hello, techies. This is CompTIA 5.4.14, and in this lab, SOHO Wi-Fi configuration. We're going to look at SOHO Wi-Fi configuration, and all of the facts in this lab are highlighted here for you on the left pane, and these are the things that we are going to be working on in this particular lab. So let's look at what we are going to be working on in this particular lab. So you are working on a small office and network. You recently created a wireless network to allow owners, laptop and mobile devices to make a connection to the wired network and the internet. Now you want to customize some of the wireless and security settings. So in this lab, your task is to access the trend net wireless access point from the home PC computer. From Google Chrome, use 192.168.0.254 as the connection URL, username, admin, password. Change the router's administrator credentials to the following. Username is going to be the boss. Password is going to be super secure 3. Set the wireless mode to 802.11 G/N mix mode. Configure the router to automatically choose a wireless channel. Alright, so that is pretty much straightforward what we're going to be doing in this particular lab. So I guess we start up right away. So the first thing that we want to do is to go into Chrome. From Chrome, we want to type in the address provided for us. Let's go into the computer desk first, and let's see. Let's see what we have here. Let's see what we have here. Okay. All right. Okay. So let's see. Let's see what we have here. See what we have here. Okay, so let's take these cables, let's turn this to the back, let's turn this to the back, let's turn this to the back and see what we have here. And let's see what we have here. 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 Okay, let's look at the cables we have here. And let's look at the cables we have here. Okay, let's look at the cables we have here also. Open these and let's see 192.168.0.5, and then it's gonna be the 254 to 254, and yep, that is it. So we include the password, and password will remain password also. So we go ahead and let's see. Yes, change the router's administration credentials to the following. Username is going to be the boss. So we go into management. Let's see, admin. So this is going to be the boss. Username will now become the boss. So we just copy this and paste here. And password is going to be this. We copy this. And we go ahead and paste this here. Okay, can apply. And we'll go to advanced. Go to basics. Let's see what we have here. Okay, so we'll go ahead and mm, okay, this is gonna be 802.11. Set the wireless mode to 802.11. So we're gonna disable this, and this is gonna be interval GN. Okay, so see, and it's asking for the password, so we're gonna include the new um, username and password here. So password, we paste the password here. So the username, will copy the username and we'll paste that in here, and then we click OK. Okay, let's see if we've checked all the boxes we needed in this video. We've crossed our T's and dotted our I's. So let's see how we do. Go ahead and score lab, and everything is correct. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button. It's very, very important. Like and subscribe. Share this video among other students so that they can benefit also. If I have further questions, reach out to me through the comment section or through the WhatsApp number attached to this video. And thank you for watching. I wish you good luck in your educational pursuit. And I'm going to see you in the next one. Good luck.